Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to check logged in device in line. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Line app. Here enter your passcode if you have set up passcode. So this is your home page. Here tap on gear icon on top right corner. Next, tap on account and here scroll down until you find devices. Simply tap on it. Now, here you will be seeing a list of devices name where you have logged in your Line account. For now, I haven't logged in my Line account from any of the device. So here it is saying that you are not logged into Line on any other devices. So if you are logged into Line account from other device, then here you will see a list of device name. So this is how you can check your logged in device in Line. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.